Let's make gradient text effect. So this is my text layer. After selecting the text layer, clicking on FX and opening blending options. Here, select gradient overlay, double click on gradient overlay, and here click on this gradient drop down. And here you will find a bunch of different gradient presets. If you want, you can select any gradient color from here, just like this. Or to create a custom gradient color, expand basic, select this gradient option, and here click on this first color box and pick your first gradient color, and click here to add your second gradient color, just like this. That's how you can go ahead and add multiple gradient colors, and using this opacity you can adjust your gradient color just like this. Once you're happy, click on OK, and here you can angle your gradient color and click on style. Here you can select radial, angle, reflected, and diamond. So I'm selecting here radial, and once you're happy, just click on OK, and that's how you can actually make gradient text effect.